Greetings from Obi Nukwu Chineke. I welcome everyone to this journey of truth that will deliver you from faithless while approaching your Creator, the owner of all humans and languages for communication. We must understand that the Creator of the universe loves every human, and He brings all humans close to Himself through the wind, water, and sand that constantly sustains human lives without limit. We must acknowledge that every human has access to communicate with the Creator of the universe without taking permission from anybody. Through the wind, water, and sand, everyone can communicate with the Creator of the universe with any language they can speak better. You must know this. Every human being agrees with the wind, water, and sand. This is what made the Creator of the universe perfect before human mentality. Human can create any gathering place to worship the Creator, but human creation remains human things. Human creation cannot perfect the things of the world. Human's creation doesn't last long because of their way of thinking, different mentalities. Each country have a different way of handling things around them, and everyone has a different way of handling things. But every human agreed with the wind, water, and sand, because without the wind, water, and sand, no human will be alive. The wind, water, and sand are what our Creator uses to monitor human activities. The Creator of the universe hears human complaints through the wind. He checks the human body through the water, feeds humans through the sand, and monitors their movements. Wind, water, and sand are the perfect and easy way to approach the Creator of the universe. Humans can locate their Creator through the wind, water, and sand their Creator uses to sustain their lives constantly. The eyes, ears, and hands of the Creator are in the wind, to see all humans, to hear all humans, even to touch all humans. We must understand that the Creator of the universe loves every human, and He brings all humans closer to Himself through the wind, water, and sand that constantly sustains humans' lives without limit. You must acknowledge that every human has access to communicate with the Creator of the universe without seeking permission from anybody. Through the wind, water, and sand, everyone can communicate with the Creator of the universe with any language you can speak better. You must know this. Every human being agrees with the wind, water, and sand without seeking permission from anybody. This is what made the Creator of the universe perfect before human mentality. A human can create any gathering place to worship the Creator. But human creation remains human things. Human creation cannot perfect the things of the world. Human creation doesn't last long because of their way of thinking and different mentalities. Each country has a different way of handling things around them, and everyone has a different way of handling things. But every human agrees with the wind, water, and sand, because without the wind, water, and sand, no human will be alive. This is the way the Creator of the universe made to have access to humans' lives and to monitor everything around humans without a mistake. The wind, water, and sand are what our Creator uses to monitor human activities on the earth, no doubt. The Creator of the universe hears humans complain through the wind. He checks the human body through the water. He feeds humans through the sand and monitors their movements. Wind, water, and sand are the perfect and easy way to approach the Creator of the universe. Humans can locate their Creator through the wind, water, and sand that their Creator uses to sustain their lives constantly. The eyes, ears, and hands of the Creator are in the wind, to see all humans and to hear all humans, even to touch all humans. The Creator heals sickness against human health through the water. He powered the human body with water. The human body generates water, and the human body lacks water. It becomes weak. He carried humans with sand, fed humans from the sand, made sand uncountable to assist humans. He used sand to beautify the earth of humans. Wind, water, and sand are the eyes, ears, and hands of the Creator of the universe to see humans, to hear human complaints, and to touch humans and to heal humans from a kind of sickness. From today, start acknowledging the wind, water, and sand. Through them, you can reach your Creator easily without delay. You don't need to doubt. You can grow your faith through the wind, water, and sand to worship your Creator. This is your Creator's thing, not human-made. Just appreciate the presence of the wind, water, and sand in your life and give thanks to your Creator who created wind, water, and sand to sustain your life to witness His creation. Do not worship wind, water, sand. They are not your Creator, but appreciate their presence and their hard work in your life. Give thanks to your Creator who uses wind, water, and sand to monitor your life and to guide you each day of your life. Call upon your Creator, the Father of all fathers, the Creator of the wind, water, and sand that constantly sustains my life. I thank you for your greatness through the wind and water and sand upon my life. I'm in your presence. See me through with good things from the wind, water, and sand. Heal my sickness, perfect my entire body, and bless my handwork and business through the wind, water, and sand that surrounded me. We are praying to our Creator through the three things that constantly sustain humans to live and witness the creation of our Creator. The wind, water, and sand to perfect our entire body to function well. As you're listening to us, receive good health from the wind, water, and sand that our Creator uses to monitor your life. With good health, you can achieve your good plans. The wind, water, and sand that monitor your life and your daily activities will assist you in accomplishing your good plans. From today, as you begin to acknowledge the importance of the wind, water, and sand in your life, your good wishes will come to fulfillment. Take note. Our Creator monitors our lives through the wind, water, and sand that constantly sustain our lives through them. Our Creator hears our prayers and heals us from sickness. As you begin to observe the activities of the wind, water, and sand upon humans' daily activities, be careful in performing your daily activities. Have it in mind that everything you do with your life, the wind, water, and sand, they recorded without a mistake. Because wind, water, and sand carry your entire body, and without the wind, water, sand, and your entire body will not function. And since you were born, your activities have been monitored by the wind, water, and sand that our Creator uses to sustain humans' lives to live and witness His creations. We are empowered to take care of the things of the earth, is by the power installed in the wind, water, and sand. And that is a place where our Creator placed the power of authority of humans to take charge of the things of the earth. Without the wind, water, and sand, you don't have access to the power of the authority to govern the things of the earth. My power to do things here on the earth is from the wind, water, and sand. There my Creator placed my power to control the things of the earth. Your prayers heard through the wind, water, and sand, and your wishes come to fulfillment is through the persistence of the wind, water, and sand. Keep in mind that your good and bad activities are recorded by the wind, water, and sand that follow you without limit. Take note, no spirit or humans can tell lies about your daily activities after this life, because the truth about your daily activities or commitment is captured and recorded by the wind, water, and sand. This is what our Creator made for Himself to monitor every activity on the earth without a mistake. Start from now. If you don't know before that there are monitors of our Creator all over your entire body or your entire life. Now, I have opened your mind and inner eyes to acknowledge the monitors over your entire life, the wind, water, and sand. They monitor your entire life from childhood until this day. Wind, water, and sand, they always with you to avoid blacklist after this life. Because after this life, all that you did with your entire life will be tabled before your presence to determine your next place of dwelling, of which peaceful place or restless place. And for you to partake in the peaceful place, you have to avoid anything that will lead you to go against your fellow humans. The way and key to entering the peaceful place after this life is your fellow humans. That is the key and the way to enter the peaceful place after this life. Take note, before dealing with your fellow humans, do not plan evil against humans. Always do what is right for your fellow humans and do not allow yourself to be used to destroy your fellow humans. Always say no to going against your fellow humans. Loving humans is good, but be careful with the activities involved to avoid evil affliction. Have it in mind, your fellow human is the way, the door, and the key to entering the peaceful place after death. Have it in your mind that all your evil action against your fellow humans is recorded by the wind, water, and sand. And all your good performance is recorded by the wind, water and sand. And also your words are recorded, both prayer, wishes, singing, worshipping, arguing, law-making. Whatever sounds out from your tongue is recorded. I hope you understand who you are right now and your position on this earth. Beginning to monitor yourself and the things you do with your fellow humans, because all your activities are monitored by the wind, water and sand that constantly sustain your life daily. I will stop here for now, and I will always bring to your table the truth that will set you free from wrong activities, and the truth that will open your inner mind and eyes to know the perfect way to engage with your Creator that uses the wind, water and sand to sustain your life daily and monitors each of your activities on the earth without limit. I will stop here for now, and I will always bring to your table the truth that you will set you free from the darkness. And when we begin to exercise the truth in our country, we will begin to see the light of developments that stop sins and crimes. I'm approaching you from the Obi Nuku Chineke. Be healed by the wind, water and sand that constantly sustain your life through the command of our Creator, the owner of the wind, water and sand that monitors all the activities on the earth. We are blessed and empowered through the activities of the wind, water and sand. The truth of the truth, the brain and 5 fingers. The wind, water and sand we present to you. From now on, wind, water and sand will become stronger and more beautiful than before. We are blessed and empowered to achieve great through the existence of the wind, water and sand that our Creator uses to sustain our lives and monitors our daily activities. To avoid a blacklist afterlife, we are truly blessed.